Welcome back. The next part we are going to look at is this part for paragraph. Firstly, let's look at our bulleted list. Now, if they tell you to insert bullets, then you go to the paragraph where you want to insert your bullets and you highlight all of them. Don't do it one by one. You are wasting your own time. So let's say this is the paragraph I want to insert my bullets. Then you highlight it. Now don't just go click on this bulleted list. Click on this drop down arrow because you want to go and choose your own bullet. They can tell you to use a specific bullet, then you choose that bullet. Or they can tell you to use any bullet, then you can use any bullet. Let me take the tick, for example. Now when I click on it, do you see that when I insert bullets, it moves? It's not on your left-hand margin. Do you see this gap? Now all you do, it's already highlighted when you inserted your bullets. You just go here where it says decrease indent. I click on it. And then it will put your bullets onto your margin. Okay. Then another thing they can ask you, I'm just going to say none to remove my bullets. The next thing they can ask you is to put in numbers. Now, please don't use this numbering option. Here, you can use your ABC and your Roman numbers and so on. But please, when they talk about your numbers, number 1, 2, 3, please use this one, the multi-level list. You click on it. Now you will see different options. Here we've got this number 1. Do you see the angle of this number 1? It's a skew angle. When I look at this one, it's a nice and straight angle for my numbers. Now this is the one we use. Let me show you the difference between them. If I use this numbering option, do you see the small gap between your number and your text? Now this is incorrect. Even without our show hide icon, I can see it's a small space, but this is what is nice about it because you will see it easily. Now I'm going to say none. The option you use is the one that's straight. You see this numbering option. I click on it and you see the nice space that is open. When I remove this show hide icon, you can also see it. Now this arrows represents 2 letter spaces. And remember, the show hide icon just shows you. It will not print this information. Okay. Then what we also have here is our alignments. For example, we've got align left, align center, horizontal centering, and align to the right hand side. You can also use the shortcuts on your keyboard. This is for left it's Control L, for center Control E, and for your right hand side Control R. But you can see when you just point to it, it will also show you what to use. Then the last justification we have over here is your full or justify. So if I highlight it, you can see my text is straight on the left-hand side, which means it's left aligned. Now this justify, it means, or full, it means that they are straight. You see how this one is moving? It looks like a snake. Okay, when I click on justify, you see now it's nice and straight on both of the margins, the paragraph. Then we also have a line spacing option. Now let me use it with our numbered paragraph. I'm going to highlight it. If they tell you, for example, change to your line spacing to 1.5, I highlight the information, whether it's a paragraph or however, I highlight it. Then I just go and click on this option, and here I can choose 1.5, and there's 2 or double line spacing. This is one option. Another option is by clicking to paragraph settings. I click on it, and here as well you can see single line spacing as 1, 1.5, and double line spacing. Now what this means, let's say 1.5, and I say okay. What this means is the spacing between my text, these lines. You see here, this is single line spacing. And here you can see this is now 1.5 line spacing. Thank you.